Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You must be host or assigned co-host, otherwise you cannot remove the whiteboard. First, open your Zoom meeting and click Share Screen, then choose Whiteboard so it appears. Once done, make sure to export the whiteboard content or take screenshots if you need a copy, because deletion is permanent for participants. You're starting now. Verify role, open the board, and save any files or images you want to keep before proceeding to the removal controls. Next, click directly on the whiteboard to reveal the toolbar. This exposes the More or Whiteboard menu where deletion controls live. Once visible, choose Clear All or Delete Whiteboard depending on your Zoom version. Clear removes content but keeps the board, while Delete removes the board session entirely. If you're on desktop, use the Meeting Controls toolbar to confirm you're the host and that host-only actions are enabled. Make these choices deliberately, because they determine whether the board persists for participants. Now perform the final deletion. Select Delete Whiteboard or Clear All and then close. Zoom will prompt you for confirmation, so accept to complete removal. You should tell participants beforehand so nothing gets lost unexpectedly, because once deleted the content is gone for everyone. If you don't see the delete option, make sure you are host. If not, promote yourself or ask the current host. If promoting fails, restart Zoom and rejoin the meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.